Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, Brandon is standing in a row. Now he is nth from the left and mth from the right. So we have to find out how many people are standing in a row. So the best way to proceed with this type of questions is by taking a simple example. So let us take an example. Suppose there are 4 people standing in a row. So let it be first people, second person, third person, and over here we have fourth person. Now suppose this is the position of Brandon. Now as you can see, he is third from the left and second from the right. So in this case, third from left and second from right. Now in this case, third from left is synonymous to nth from left, that is n is synonymous to 3, and second from right, that is mth from right, so m is synonymous to 2. And you can clearly see that the total number of persons sitting or standing in the row is 4. Therefore we can say that total number of persons equals 3 plus 2, which is equals 5, and 5 minus 1. Now from the above case we have inferred that 3 is synonymous to n, so let's write n over here. 2 is synonymous to m, so let's write m over here, and then we have minus 1, which is a constant. So total number of persons will be n plus m minus 1. Therefore upon checking the options, we see that option D will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.